पुढे जाऊ. अरे कोणते माईक घेऊ मग कोण धरतो माईक दीदी आव धरता ती पुढे होता दुबार की हां ओ
राम राव
सोडलं असं या
अरे
आम्हाला पुढे जाऊन येईल आम्ही हांगात आमरे
लाईव्ह चालू आहे
सेंटर असं झालं आम्ही वयतो ना पुढे राहतला तुमची सगळ्यांचं रिझल्ट उडे
ए मधीन राहतो फाटी
गुड आफ्टरनून
सगळं सगळं
Many people are asking whether I'm quitting Congress. Definitely no. I belong to the Congress family and I will be always there with the Congress family. Of course, I have resigned as an MLA. But I have resigned as an MLA so that my dream to build, consolidate, strengthen and unify the Congress family at the state level and at the national level. And I will work hard to do so.
So is losing trying to get all Congress platforms together and make it one Congress family?
See, my dream is, you see, Congress doesn't belong to anybody. Congress was a movement started by the father of the nation, Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Sardar Patel, so many tallest leaders. So that this Congress family has been today divided. There is a Congress which belongs to Mamta, there is a Congress which belongs to YSR, there is a Congress which belongs to Sharad Pawar, and there is a Congress which was my party belonging to Indira Congress. But once a family is divided, it becomes weak. And you must have seen the Congress which has given the independence to India is today weak, losing everything. Last year itself, last 2 years, we lost 187 MLAs. So I have decided and see that we work hard once again so that we give a strong opposition to the present dispensation in Goa and at the center. So please, when you are asking question, I have not left Congress. Congress philosophy, Congress ideology, Congress principles and Congress programs will be always near and dear to me. And if I have resigned as an MLA, is to consolidate, and you will see my steps. Today you have to see who can give a strong opposition to Narendra Modi,
At the center.
to the BJP. We will have to find out this Congress, bring them together, and you will see today evening itself when I am going to address.
So you have been humiliated by the Congress?
No, that is another story. You see, I have not brought Congress to power, absolute majority, first time this time. Last time also, I brought 21 MLAs when I was leading as a president. What happened? Who defeated us? It's the Congress people. Now this time, when I was in charge over in Delhi as a AIC General Secretary, the position of Congress was what it is today. It was 6 or 7. Congress was weak. So Mrs. Sonia Gandhi asked me to come to Goa. I came to Goa. I worked hard. I went to the people. People supported us, people got us elected. We had 17 plus 1, and on 11th of March 2017, when the results came, in the night we were majority. We had 21 MLAs. But when I went to give the letter to the governor, our own desk in charge did not allow me to give this letter, even though my party at Delhi, the legal department, told me this, give this letter. And next day, what happened, you know? The rest is history. Thereafterwards, because you're asking, I'm telling you, thereafterwards, I was elected as a CLP leader. I was elected as a leader of opposition with 13%. If you resign, then they will form the government within 24 hours. I said, I will get the resignation myself. And I got a resignation myself. So I resigned as a PCC president. I have been maintaining a very long silence, dignified silence for the last 4.5 years. It was a painful silence, but more than my pain, I know for the last 4.5 years, it was the pain of the people who voted and elected Congress party to power. We defeated the BJP chief minister and total cabinet. And I felt that was bigger pain. In fact, when I resigned as a PCC president, when I said I don't want CLP leader, I had thought that I will maintain this dignified silence, and I did it. Because people are also suffering. Today, I have decided what I had decided that day. In fact, I wanted to resign, but then I thought, Luiz Falero took a decision at the last moment, just 15 days before the 2017 elections, to contest. And people had blessed me. How can I forsake them? So I waited for the time, and this is the right time. We have to go forward. We have to struggle. And my life has been always of struggle and activism. And you will see it.
Do you feel that the present structure of Congress was not feasible as far as upcoming assembly elections, so the upcoming Lok Sabha votes, and that's why you went to TMC or something? You are about to go.
See, if you ask me to criticize Congress leadership at the center, I will.
State I'm talking
I
about.
have got high regards for Mrs. Gandhi. I have high regards for Rahul Gandhi.
I'm talking about the state.
Don't you
As
think
far as state, why are you asking me? What is happening is a eloquent testimony. You see, what is happening over here? We have made Goa a coal destination. Who signed for coal? We have lost Mahadev. Who is responsible for that? Mahadev represents 60% of the lifeline of the people of Goa. We had given assurance to the Supreme Court that we will recover this 35,000 crores of loot. Why that money is coming? Goa is going through the economic crisis, on a total economic meltdown. See, suddenly through the back door, we got that bill. What is that? Bhumiputra bill. So many things are happening. Why it is happening? Where are we? We have lost the track. We have to fight. And we have to fight. We need a fighter.
Like
and
you.
I will get a fighter, and I will fight till my end.
What happens to your
But many times you are asking me, Luiz Falero has left Congress? No. I have not left Congress. Congress ideology, Congress policies, Congress programs is very near and dear to me.
पण तुम्ही पुढे खयचे काँग्रेसीन आसतले इंदिरा
That I will tell you.
Or
I will
Mamata
see
Congress.
that this four Congress is my dream, to get this four Congresses
So it will
together.
start from Goa then.
It has to start from
Okay,
Goa,
what
because Goa we're going to face the
What happens
elections.
to Naveli constituency now? Your constituency. As far as the elections are, sir, would you contest on other party or will be your candidate
See,
there? What it is?
I know what I will do, but I have to ask the people. Today and yesterday. Yesterday I spoke to around 600-700 families. Today I had a lot of people you must have seen on the TV. And they told me, you go ahead, do something for the good of Goa. Goa is suffering, our people are suffering. So I will take appropriate decision at the appropriate time in favor of my people and in favor of my
So
state.
one more
Don't you
thing is
think you would have achieved your dream of building, consolidating Congress by remaining in INC, Indian National Congress?
I tried that. I will not show my correspondence, but I did write to my higher ups.
So at the moment, though you have not
I
joined
think it's
any,
enough for today.
No,
Because I
that's
can
one.
talk something in the
That's
evening.
one. So, at the moment, you have not joined any political party, but if joined TMC, can TMC make its presence in Goa?
Who is fighting Modi today? What is that Mamta formula which has won against the Modi? Modi had 200 meetings. Amit Shah had more than 200 meetings. And then all this power and all that. Who has been? It is a women's empowerment. It is a powerful force. And Congress has to use the powerful forces to fight. So our fight is not against Congress, our fight is against BJP. Please take this.
Do you
Thank
regret for quitting Congress party? Do you regret for quitting Indian National Congress?
I have told Ramayan, Mahabharata, you are asking me the same
It
question.
is painful decision for you. It is painful decision.
I'm not leaving Congress, I have said. You are still living in the back age, you know.
For whom you are leaving then, sir?
Block president?
Huh?
You have resigned as
Sir.
block president?
So for whom you are leaving then?
Want more clarity?